everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out to Target. I have a couple of things to get on a little list, but I thought I would do some grocery shopping. Do you do some grocery shopping at Target? Let me know down below, but let's get started. Let's go. I have my Ezzy here with me and he just opened my door. Thank you, sir. Okay, let's go do some shopping. So I told the kids in my class that I would have pink hair for Valentine's Day. And they reminded me. So this is what I use. It's $12 and it lasts like for a couple of washes. But if I think I can get a couple of uses out of this, so it's not too bad. Having a hard time focusing on just food when we need a new comforter. Ezra's back here saying, let's touch all the pillows. But maybe one day soon we can get those taken care of, get another comforter for our bed. I think he's almost reaching his limit. Are you almost done? He's like, I've been good long enough.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're done. So I'll show you what we got. And Ezra's like, we've been here for like an hour, Mom.
Yep.
So here it is. Let me first show you. I did get 3 sodas here for $11. Diet Coke, DDP, and Diet Cream Soda, which we don't always get. And it is so good. Okay, so I'm going to put those in the back fridge and hopefully they will last about a week. We'll see. Okay. But I always feel like that's a good price when I can get them for about $3-ish a container or a pack. So that's good. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. I'm just going to unpack them. And let me tell you, we ran into our dentist. And he's like, what'd you get? I said, oh, just a bunch of junk food just to keep you in business. So I'll explain as I unpack, but Valentine's is coming up and I needed to make something for my classroom. So I'll show you what we're going to make. So let me get going. How to get some essentials here. So I got the antiviral tissues for my classroom. It seems like we have a little bit of extra sniffles going around, plus some TP, which we just needed. I also just got some more baggies. I really like these portion snack baggies. These are really good for smaller things like when I'm just packing up a couple cookies or, you know, just a small amount of crackers. These are really good for that. And then I got some sandwich ones as well. So yeah, they're perfect for these. So I usually just pack 2 for all of the boys' lunches and I just put them in the drawer so they know just in the mornings to make their own lunches. I was able to get some more ground beef and I got Paul some of this pulled pork. I think I can make him some baked potatoes or just some vegetables so he could have it for lunch. But I also got him some vanilla ice cream. So, you know, balance, you guys, but you're going to see that the scales here are going to be a little unbalanced here in a second. So let's keep going. Okay, not only did I get 1 of these, I got 2 more. So I am going to be making, along with these, I got 2 of these Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips and some sweetened condensed milk, is to make some more of those M&M bars. They were so good, you guys, that I think it's going to be perfect to make a batch for my classrooms. So it's going to just work out so nicely. And I had to get the Valentine ones so they would be festive for our party days. And I thought I could also make a batch of gluten-free ones so that I could, you know, so Paul wouldn't be so left out in all of these. So I'll just make sure I would put his wrapped up into the freezer so he could just have one whenever he wanted. I let Ezra pick out some goldfish. He picked out these ones. Yeah, I just stay away from these things. And then look what else I got. I just got some chicken breast strips. I just thought easy dinner. But look, some gluten-free ones for Paul. So I hope he likes those. If not, I mean, he could just smother them in some sauce, right? But it is gluten-free, so he can have them with us when we're having these. It made sense to me. Have you ever tried these gluten-free, like any kind of gluten-free breaded anything? Does it taste good? I'm sure it does, right? Let's keep going. I got a couple of these emergency pizzas. They were 2 for $10. So I thought it was a good price. And DiGiorno's are pretty good, don't you think? If you've ever had them, let me know. I bought some frozen meatballs. This is going to be a couple of meals for our family. Now I have some French bread in the freezer, so maybe I'll make some meatball sandwiches. And I could also make Paul some meatballs and rice. Somebody told me that they just put some barbecue sauce with some pineapple, and it is actually super good. It almost has like an Asian taste to it, or a Hawaiian barbecue. It's so good, you guys. So that's what we've been doing lately with the meatballs. I got just some more milk because I got these big old box of Cheerios. The Honey Nut ones are our favorite. But I also got some of these Driscoll's raspberries. Have you ever had raspberries on Cheerios? It's actually one of my favorite ways to eat Cheerios. So I just feel like it's a little bit of extra healthy. Talking about healthy, I got Paul just some more trail mixes, and he really does like to have some of this beef jerky, and I got him the teriyaki. Oh, I hope that's okay. Shoot, it says it contains wheat. I'm sure he'll eat it and be just fine. Yeah, I think he'll be okay. Next time I'll have to remember to get the regular ones. Now remember, his decision to eat gluten-free is a choice. He does have some sensitivities. We're not doctors. We just know that when he eats less bread products, his joints don't hurt as much. And he can actually lose a few pounds. So it's easier for him when he is abstaining from a lot of bread product. Now the sauces and stuff, yes, some of them do have gluten in them or wheat product in it. So he just uses a lot of those things sparingly. And when he does, like every once in a while, we might go to Chick-fil-A, and where he will get a couple, like he'll order some chicken strips or something like that, but then he won't for a long time, and he'll be okay. So it's like this little teeny tiny bit of moderation of it. So it's not that he's like completely against gluten. It's just that he realizes that he needs to have less bread, which, I mean, if we're all trying to be healthier anyways, should we be eating tons of bread? Probably not. So it's just one of those things. I know some people may comment about the gluten-free diets. I've had some of those comments in the past, but it's just one of those choices that Paul is making, and he is doing so good at it. So I am going to help him any way I can, but these little things aren't a big deal. Okay, let's keep going. I just got some plain chips. So if the boys want to use these for their lunches, we can put them in baggies. I got a couple more Grandma's Sycamores. I'm just so happy that they sell them at almost all the stores I go to now, which a few years back, maybe 5 years ago, the only way we could get Grandma's Sycamore is if we smuggled it in from Utah. But now it's everywhere. So you guys, Ezra saw these little yogurts with a little bit of M&Ms. So I let him have it. A little splurge, which seems to be a lot of this haul, right? Okay, I got some sliced strawberries. I kind of have some ideas for this. Couple of blocks of medium cheddar, and then just some more butter. And then I realized I should have gotten 2 of these, because just doing 2 times the recipe will take this whole thing. But that's okay. I'll probably head up to the store, because I think I want to get some more produce, maybe spend like $10 or $15 at the local store and just pick up some more produce. Oh, a couple more things. I got these glue sticks for my classroom, and they specifically asked me for purple. The last ones I got were white or clear, and they were like, no. Kids. Okay. And then I got Ezra a Valentine shirt. Oh, isn't that so cute? He loved it. Aw, heart of gold. And we have his Valentines ready. They turned out really cute. And I did get that pink, it's like rose gold tint. So I've done it before. It's very subtle and it's super fun to do. So thanks so much for going with me to Target, kind of on the whim, last minute, deciding to get some groceries, and then it turns out to be more snacks, right? But I got still some good stuff for meals for the upcoming week. And I think we are going to be okay because I still have some stuff in the back freezer. So I feel good about this. The kids are going to have snacks for the weekends. And I am just pleased that Target had things that I would buy. I mean, I was pleasantly surprised. Usually I just go to Target to pick up a couple of things, but I got a lot of stuff here today. So thanks so much for coming along with me to Target. Give the video a thumbs up and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.